Hi all. So today we will see how to create infographics in Power BI. Okay. So for that we have a ready-made chart available. So in order to download or import any visual, we have to go to uh, get more visual. I have already imported infographic. If you want to import, you have to go to get more visual and just type infographic. You can see it here. Just click on add option. Okay, I have already imported here. This is my infographic image. So visual. So just click on this visual. Okay. After that, I will choose some measures and dimensions. That is a category I will choose and sales I will choose. Now you can see that a visual has been created, which is simple column chart actually. But the speciality of this visual is that you can make it present it in a different shapes. Okay, you have edit mark option here. Okay, edit mark options are available, and here you can see many options like insert shape. If you want to insert some shapes, you can do it from here. And also many categories are available like food and drink, household, nature, people, transportation and all. If I am clicking on people, you can see many options are there. I will click on this. First of all, we need to delete this image which is present and click on this shape, and we can choose the shape here. Okay. After clicking on this shape, you can do the formatting. Here you can see format layout. Any formatting related to this shapes, you can do it from here. But the remaining formattings, which that is similar to what we have explored earlier, that is you can go to this format option. So here, the shapes I have already chosen. Multiple units I will, if I am clicking on this, multiple icons will be available. I want only single, so I will click on, okay. And value color, you can change the color from here. If you click on, and if you click on this arrow mark, you can change the color. I will choose this color. Okay, you can change the color like this. And okay, after that, unit keep ratio, unit background, many options are there. Just explore all this. Okay, multiple units I have already told, and these all are the, and in this layout of also there is many option, inner, outer, like that. Okay, based on that the shapes will be arranged. Okay, will give us inner, and here we can have the text option. Here we can write any text if required. Okay, uh, here we can change the text also. Okay, we can edit the text and give some text if required. Okay, um, that is one thing. And insert image, you can insert or upload any images if it is required. Okay, I am taking Power BI logo means you can just click on this. It will change the change into logo. Okay, so now I will give this image itself. Okay, see, I will just delete this and I will give that same smiley itself. Okay, so that's all. That is the information regarding the formatting. And if you can just click on this close button. And if you want to do the normal formatting, means you have to come click on the visual, come here, go to background. You can change the background color if required. Mm, you can make it more darker. Okay, background color. And many other options which we have already explored. Okay, title you can see, sales by category is the title, and if you want to make the font color to white, you can make it here. Okay, alignment I will give in center. Okay, and you can increase the text size also if required. Okay, text size. border and all, if it is required, you can give. Okay. And general, we have an option called chart here. We'll see. Grid lines, if you don't want, means you can just off that. Okay. Like that, many formatting options are available. Just explore all that. So that's all for today's video. So thank you. Hope you all understood this. Thank you.